financial journalist Rob Rose says companies have an obligation to lodge criminal charges against those involved in white-collar crime.
The author of Steinheist also says there should be more convictions in both the private and public sectors.
Former Steinhoff CFO Ben Lachransi has been jailed for 5 years for his involvement in the collapse of the multinational company back in 2017.
His co-accused, Stephanus Grober, is due to appear in the Specialized Commercial Crimes Court in Pretoria today.
There were pensions invested in this. I mean, pension funds, I think half the pension funds in the country were invested in Steinhoff. So the fact that there was this massive implosion and the share price lost 98%, that's a lot of people's retirement savings that actually went up in smoke. So there's a real definite golden thread between what happens in companies and what happens to wider society. That's why you have to punish it properly. I mean, like I said, I think that the real issue is that it's taken so long to get here, and that is, the notion, the old cliche of justice delayed is justice denied. So that's a real issue. Steinhoff it was the most complicated fraud this country's seen by a long way. Many people will say, well, we just don't have the skills and our expertise in our MPA to actually make this happen faster. But I do think that it should have happened faster. I think that white collar crime is often treated, people just think, oh, it's happening on the fringes, it doesn't really matter. And I think that a lot of companies don't understand their duty to lodge criminal charges when there's money stolen. They think they'll just let somebody go and it's fine. It's probably, that person can just leave. And actually they have a duty under the Prevention and Combating of Crime Act to actually lodge criminal charges and make sure this is carried through. So I think that companies don't realize the importance of it, and they don't realize the impact on society